Hello, everyone. I wanted to give you some context about the problem that we are trying to solve. One of the most pressing problems for any cloud monitoring customers, such as customers of Wavefront, is cost, specifically the ever-increasing OpEx around consuming Wavefront. And to address those concerns, we have launched a set of new features to help you get a breakdown on how Wavefront is consumed internally within your organization across sources, accounts, the different types of data that are being ingested, etc. So the first thing in order to get that visibility that you need to do is create ingestion policies. Ingestion policies are basically a logical grouping of the accounts internal to your organization that are related to, say, a specific project or an environment. And those accounts will be using Wavefront for that specific project. So I can provide a name for the ingestion policy and associate all the set of accounts, which are users and service accounts that will be using Wavefront for that specific project. So here I already created two ingestion policies. So let's say overall I care more about these two projects. One is an autonomous vehicle project and another is an infrastructure project. And as you can see, I have three accounts, two users and one service account that are using Wavefront to monitor this particular project. So once I have set up all my ingestion policies, the next thing that I need to do is to go to the usage reporting dashboard, which will basically show me the breakdown of my use of Wavefront based on time, based on the projects that I have defined, the accounts, and then the sources of ingestion into Wavefront, and then the type of data that is being ingested, whether it's metrics, traces, or histogram. So from a high level, I noticed I can also change the time. So I noticed that there has been a dip around 5 a.m., but then overall the ingestion has been consistent. And I can also see that the autonomous vehicle project ingests more than any other projects. And I can drill down for that specific project by filtering the ingestion policy ID to autonomous vehicles project. And now I can see that user 2 is ingesting the most out of everybody. And you can see this from the top K charts as well. So once you have this clarity, then what you can do is you can also export this data in a PDF or CSV format so that you can share that report internally, or you can drill down and analyze the data for any like auditing, etc. So here you see this PDF report, which you can share internally, or you can also generate a CSV report for further analysis. And so here you see a detailed granular data. So, and what's currently under development, apart from this, is the ability to set quotas on the rate of your ingestion, and also the ability to set alerts so that you get notified ahead of time if your rate is getting closer to the quotas that you have set for the different projects that are using Wavefront. So I hope this video helps. And overall, in this video, we have talked about how you can set ingestion policies to monitor and get visibility into your usage of Wavefront, how you can export this data using both in a CSV or PDF format, and some of the features under development, such as how you can set quotas in order to control how much each project can ingest, and set alerts, etc. Thank you.